for drum. D is for drum with a happy beat. Two. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog who loves to play. 2, 3. G is for giraffe, tall and grand. H is for house where we all stand. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy. J is for jelly that wiggles in your tummy. K is for kite, flying way up high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey swinging by a tree. N is for nest where the birds might be. Birds. O is for octopus down in the sea. P is for panda chewing on a tree. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rainbow that comes down. S is for sun, shining so bright, too bright. T is for train speeding out of sight. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. V is for violin, we all can play. W is for will, big and blue. X is for xylophone playing for you. Y is for yo-yo going up and down. Z is for zebra dancing through town. Now we know our ABC. Let's sing again, come follow me. With fun and friends and dancing too. Learning letters is fun to do. Now we know our ABC. Let's sing again, come follow me. With fun and friends and dancing too. Learning letters is fun to do. Now we know our ABC. Let's sing again, come follow me. With fun and friends and dancing too. Learning letters is fun to do.